Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and another short tutorial that I want to share with you guys. So, but for those who wants to create a new channel, well, maybe this video can help you on how to create a new channel. So in this video, I'm going to create a new channel, which is a cooking channel, because I love cooking since I cook every day, and as you know, you see my my videos for sure it's more about cooking. So I'm thinking about making another channel for just cooking. So if you love to cook with me, then please join, subscribe to my new channel. And now in this one, I'm thinking about, am I going to create another channel, because my main channel is not yet monetized. So thank you so much, guys. If you subscribe to my channel, it will get my channel bigger a little bit, and I can get the goal that YouTube need for my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and help me support my channel. Thank you guys so much. And for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe into my main channel. And this is the second channel, which is really 0 subscribers. I don't know, let's see how it goes, guys. How am I can be like consistent on uploading new videos for cooking. So let's see. But now, before anything else, before we do that cooking, let's create a channel first, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So I'm thinking about creating a new account or just add another channel for my main account, but I think it's better to organize that this channel is this for this channel and this channel with different account, right? So that's what I'm gonna do for today, and without any further ado, okay, let's jump into my computer. Let's do this. Alright, so now I'm here on YouTube. Okay, just go to YouTube and you're going to sign in. I'm not gonna sign in into my current account, because I'm going to make a new channel which is for cooking channel. So you go in here and sign in. So like what I've told you, I've already had a new account, so I'm not gonna sign that email for this. So what I'm gonna do is create an account. Okay, click that one, and you're gonna ask for my personal use, for your child, or for work or my business. So I'm gonna choose this one. So we're going to create a new Gmail address for my channel. So it says this Gmail address just for you is no cost, so it's free, guys. So all you're gonna do is just to go here and get a new Gmail address. So here I'm going to create a new Gmail address. So I'm going to, alright, so this is my name. Alright, so write your name, and it's optional. Okay, last name, if you want to do that, it's optional. So I'm just going to click next. Okay, put your gender, the email address. So I'm going to create a new email address when this bar pop. Okay, so we're gonna cook and we're gonna taste it, just a little bit of bites. So let's see how it tastes like. So I'm gonna use this Tasty Bites by Maria at markgmail.com. So this is the channel that I want to use for my Gmail. So I'm gonna click next, and let's see. Oh, so nobody's taken that, so I'm just gonna make my password. So just create your password. Alright, so you're gonna add your recovery email address. If email that, whatever email that you want, then put here your recovery email address in case, and you can skip this if you want to, but I'm gonna put other email address in case. Okay, so click next, and of course you're gonna put your phone number. Alright, then click next, and after that, so you already have this Tasty Bites by Maria at markgmail.com. There you go. So now you have your new Gmail address. Okay, so now let's go back to YouTube, and we're going to sign in. The new email address that we created. Click next. And then of course they're gonna ask you for password. And then sign in, and there you go. So you already have your account. Here is your new email account or Gmail account for your new channel. Okay, so now here is my new YouTube channel. So we're going to go to my studio. Okay, go to your studio, and here is your how you will appear into your channel. Since I don't upload any picture yet, so you can just go ahead and upload the pictures that you want. Alright, so I'm going to upload this one, and then just click, and now my photo is uploading. That's it. It's preparing, and now here is my photo or picture for my channel. and then create a channel. Click this one. So this is how you'll appear for your new channel, new account on YouTube. Here is my profile, here is my channel, your channel Maria, and then here is you can always change this one. Okay, so now I don't have any video yet, so we're going here back and we're going to go to the settings, and then this is the general. Since I'm in Japan, so I'm going to set this for Japanese currency. Okay, so I'm gonna put Japanese yen. I'm gonna save this. All right, oh, hold on, I'm going back to the settings again. Hold on, settings, I'm gonna save that, then upload defaults. Okay, so here there are basic information. Add a title that describes your video. So you're gonna add the title that describes your channel, your video. So I'm going to, maybe I'm going to use ChatGPT for this so that I can put the title. Let's say love cooking with Maria. Okay, if you love cooking with me, then let's go for it. Alright, so I'm gonna choose this title, and then you can always change this anytime you want, guys. So then in the description, you have to tell the viewers about your video or about your channel. So I'm going to put the description here. So, alright, so let's go to ChatGPT and ask for help. Alright, so now we're here on ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a short description. Write a short description about my new cooking channel on YouTube. Okay, just write a prompt, and then ChatGPT will help you to describe what is all about your channel. Okay, then alright, so I think I'm gonna use this. So welcome to your YouTube channel. I'm going to copy this one, then let's go back here, and then I'm gonna paste it here for my description. So I'm gonna change it, welcome to my, okay, you're gonna write the name of your channel, welcome to Love Cooking with Alright, so now once you've done with this, you're going to the visibility. Okay, so you cannot just set your video to public, private, or unlisted, so it's all up to you, but I'm gonna set it for unlisted before I publish it. Alright, and then tags, and then you can also ask ChatGPT to give you some tags about your video. Give me maybe 10 suggestion. Give me 10 suggestions. Make a mistake. You know what, guys, even though you make a mistake on typing on ChatGPT, it's okay. ChatGPT can understand it. Give me one, not one. I'm asking for 10. Sorry. I'm gonna copy all of this and bring it to YouTube again. Alright, so for all those tags that ChatGPT gives to you, you have to copy in and put inside of this. Alright, then you can keep going adding here your tags, guys. You have until 500, so I'll just giving you some examples, and I'm going back here later to add more. So once you finish with this, all you're gonna do is just to save it, and then there you go. We're going back again to settings, and then after we upload this, okay, we have this, we already saved this, and then we're going to advanced setting. Okay, title and description, language select. So I'm going to select here whatever language you are using, but I think I'm gonna use the English United States. I'm gonna click this one. So comment moderation basic, comments on. If you want to take off your comments, then it's all up to you. I'm just gonna leave it on. So I'm going to click save. Alright, so next, after that, after we finish the the default setting, this is the default setting, guys. So you don't need to change over and over again. So your license is a standard. Okay, so if you are Creative Commons, it's all you have to do. But I'm on a standard YouTube license. Category, okay, then you're gonna choose the category of your channel, what kind of channel you are. So here I may think I'm gonna do how to style, maybe. Okay, whatever language you are. So caption certification, so it's all up to you. What is this? Oh no, good. So just leave it like that. Comments on. Alright, so once you fill up this all advanced setting, and then we're going to click save. Alright, so we're done with our advanced setting. So now here we are on our channel customization. So here the banner image, you're going to upload the banner of your channel here. So I don't have a banner yet, so I'm going to Canva and I'm going to make a banner there, and I'll show you guys later how to do that using Canva. So here you're going to choose the channel name that represents you and your content. So you can also change this if you create it now and then you want to change it. So it takes like 14 days or 2 weeks before you can change your channel name. So I'm gonna use Maria Cooking with Love. Because when you're cooking with love, you know guys, when you really love cooking, anything you cook is delicious, right? So I just Maria Cooking with Love because I love cooking, so that's the name of my channel. So it doesn't matter what kind of dish that I cook, but I just put this here. And then your handle, choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle also within 14 days. So the handles that can be changed is twice every 14 days. So you can change every 14 days. So Maria Tasty Bites, I think this is my handle. So Maria Cooking with Love at Maria Tasty Bites. So I think I'm just gonna stick on this. And then the description of your channel. So I'm just going back to the settings, and then I'm going to where is that, the description that I made. So I'm just gonna copy this one. Alright, and then I'm going back to customization, and then I'm going to paste the description. I'm gonna use the same description. So this is how it is, and then you can add the language if you want to add another language. So this is your channel URL, but this is not gonna be like really, you can also use this, but the channel that you're gonna be is like this. This is your okay, this is your URL for your new YouTube channel. So YouTube, www.youtube.com/@mariatastybites. All right, so you can use this, or you can use the one that I've shown you, this one. And then you can also put the links. So if you have links that you want to add, like Facebook, Instagram, just put the links here. Okay, what's the title? Let's say Facebook. There you go. And then the URL of your Facebook, just copy it there. And then if you want to add more links, I'm just giving you guys an example. So if you have a lot of social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, just add the link, click this ad, and then leave the title. Okay, your contact information. So if you want to put your contact information, if somebody wants to contact you to do business together or to collaborate with you, and then put your email address here. So I might just put my .com. So if you want to contact me, just send email to this email address. So if you want to ask something, or if you have a request for me to do a recipe on this and cook like this, so just email me and put this. Alright, so if you already have an image of subscribe button, and then you can just upload it there. You can change this, you can remove it, you can end of the video, you can custom start time here. Once you finish with that, you're gonna click publish. Alright, so now it's publishing, everything is fine, so it's working. That's it. So here you click this earn. Since this is just a new channel, nothing is in there. So as you see guys here, you have to reach the requirements that apply, which is 1,000 subscribers, and one of the following, like for the last 365 days, the watch hour is 4,000, and if you're doing short, so at least 90 days, you got a 10 million, things like that. And want to be emailed when you hit these requirements, just click email me. Alright, I will email you once you reach the requirements. Alright, so complete the basic, turn on this one. Okay, so here you're gonna turn this on. It's turned on. Okay, you have to follow community guidelines here, so you can just click this one and read the community guidelines. Turn on the notification. Okay, this is very important guys. You have to verification code. So you're gonna enter the the password for this email account. Okay. All right, so you already have finished this step to your account. Okay, turn on the two-step verification account, turn on that, and add your phone number here. Okay, so go to your phone and look at the code that they send you.